Okay, guys, so today is day 6, June 8, 2026, Monday, and this is going to be our next, this is going to be our new week, and week 2 ये होगा अपना, okay, road to payout series, trading lucid funded account, okay. So अभी 3 मिनट बाकी है इक्विटी ओपन होने में, so यार क्विकली देखते हैं कि क्या न्यूज़ है, किस दिन क्या है बेसिकली. So you can see this week we have no news on USD, Monday, Tuesday कोई न्यूज़ नहीं है. Wednesday को we have big news CPI, okay, and then Thursday we have PPI news on USD, and Friday we don't have any high impact news, okay. So let's see what market is cooking basically. So let's start with the weekly time frame. Okay. I have done my analysis by the way. Okay. You can see after a long time, after a very long time, I guess 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After 9 weeks, we have this one bearish engulfing candle. Okay. So right now I'm looking for bearish move. Okay. Not bullish for now. Okay. Until unless something good setup will come. Okay, but if you see we have formed this weekly bearish engulfing, and जो last week जो भी week का ये opening gap था, right? So अभी समझ लो ये bullish वाली gap था. Okay, जो bullish वाली gap ये inverted हो गया है. So right now ये resistance जैसा act करेगा basically. Okay, so we have this week opening gap जो कि यहाँ पे resistance का काम कर सकता है. So bearish engulfing है, second weekly flow bearish है. So I'm looking for bearish move to target this swing low and this swing low basically. Okay, अगर डेली टाइम फ्रेम का बात करें तो डे टाइम फ्रेम में अगर आप देखोगे तो जो ये फ्राइडे का लो था मार्केट वो स्विप नहीं किया है. ओके, इट जस्ट ओपन एंड कंटिन्यू पुश्ड हायर बेसिकली टुवर्ड दिस inversion. Okay, so if any backside move will happen, अगर कुछ भी 1 hour 15 मिनट में कुछ अच्छा स्ट्रक्चर मिलता है backside, then we will look for the sell to target this liquidity basically. Okay, so same thing is also on the yes as well. Okay, अगर वीकली टाइम फ्रेम में बात करें, सो वीकली में वी हैड दिस बेरिश इनगल्फिंग. सेम इसमें भी जो ओपनिंग गैप था वो यहाँ पे इन्वर्टेड का काम करेगा. ओके, ओके गाइस, सो थोड़ा ट्रेडिंग व्यू का इशू चल रहा है इसलिए मैं अभी ट्रेडिंग व्यू ओपन नहीं कर सकता हूँ, बट अभी जस्ट राइट नाउ आई एंटर्ड वन ट्रेड ऑन ईएस जो कि $200 मैंने रिस्क लिया है. सो यू कैन सी वी हैव दिस इम्पल्स टू ऑन द 5 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम, and I entered right here. Okay, I'm going to target this low. Okay, so this is the entry. The reason also you can see on the 1 hour time frame. Let me put me here. On 1 hour time frame, we have formed this 1 hour bearish engulfing, and also we have inverted this bullish value gap. So this type of setup I personally like basically. Okay, so that's why I entered right now on this funded account जो मेरा $1200 प्रॉफिट में था. सो लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोज. अभी ट्रेडिंग व्यू मतलब इंटरनेट उतने अच्छे से वर्क नहीं कर रहा है. आई डोंट नो व्हाई, इसलिए थोड़ा लैग कर रहा है, इसलिए मैंने यहाँ पे स्क्रीनशॉट ले लिया था, इसलिए मैं वो शो कर रहा हूँ अभी आपको. ओके, मेरा स्टॉप लॉस ये हाई के ऊपर है बाय द वे. ओके, ये हाई के ऊपर जो ये वाला ब्लैक डोजी कैंडल है ये हाई के ऊपर है स्टॉप लॉस. सो वी विल सी एंटर्ड आफ्टर 10 a.m. ओके, सो yeah, let's see after 30 45 minutes, either it will go to SL or either it will go for the target. Okay, okay, so stop loss hit हो चुका है. Okay, and this was a really good trade in my opinion. I'll consider this as a good loss, not a bad loss basically, क्योंकि काफ़ी अच्छा uh, if you see मतलब प्रीवियस यहाँ से अच्छा एक इक्वल लो लिक्विडिटी था हाई टाइम फ्रेम में. लो रेजिस्टेंस लिक्विडिटी था यहाँ पे. एशिया लो था टारगेट के लिए, यू कैन सी प्रीवियस डे लो था टारगेट के लिए. सो इट वाज अ नाइस ट्रेड. maybe we if we get any second impulse kind of trade we can look for sell again, but कितना बज गया 10:45, ऑलमोस्ट 11 हो चुका है. सो वी विल सी, बट आई थिंक आई एम डन फॉर द डे. लेट मी शो यू गाइस आर डैशबोर्ड एज वेल. इफ आई चेक NQ as well. Okay, so NQ is also trading higher, and let's quickly check what is YM is doing. Okay, so it is totally in the consolidation market. Okay, ignore. Okay, so that's it for today. Let me show you dashboard quickly. Yeah, so you can see today I lost 225 dollar on my funded account, and अभी तक ये funded account में कोई trade नहीं लिए हैं उसके बाद. Okay, so I'll trade this one as well. एक बार बस 1500 के आसपास हम लोग इस अकाउंट में पहुंच जाएं. ओके, एंड 5 मिनिमम डेज हो जाएगा प्रॉफिटेबल डेज का, तो इट विल बी गुड बिकॉज देन आई कैन लॉक द पे आउट एज वेल. एंड ऑल्सो ये अकाउंट चैलेंज में भी जो मैंने ट्रेड लिया था वो लॉस हुआ है आज. ओके, सो आई रिस्क अराउंड 500. ओके, सो SL on that as well. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So we will see how next week, sorry, next week, next day will go. Tomorrow is Tuesday, day before CPI. So देखते हैं कल ट्रेड करेंगे कि नहीं करेंगे. Otherwise we will wait for the setup. Okay, so I'm going to give another try, but this time I am going to take this trade on my another funded account. Okay, जो कि $250 का आसपास प्रॉफिट में था. As you guys can see, I have already entered. Okay, and last time basically we entered somewhere here, right? If I'm not wrong, yeah, somewhere here we entered. Stop loss get hit, but right now you will see we again seeing some backside move, right? Market respected the 15-minute bearish rally gap, from bearish engulfing, tap again one more time 15-minute bearish rally gap, again from engulfing. Again here you can see from engulfing basically, and we right now displays very strongly lower. So basically when I saw this 5-minute bearish engulfing, I entered right here. Okay, and my stop loss is just above this high, because we may can form 15-minute bearish value gap. So there is two possibility: either market can trade toward this 15-minute bearish value gap, tap one more time before going down. Okay, or basically it can continue go higher and hit my stop loss basically. Okay, that can also happen. Okay, somewhere I feel I am little attached with this bias. Okay, usually I don't trade PM session because this is PM session. You can see the time. It's currently 1:15 p.m. Eastern time. Okay, but still I like those liquidity that has built up basically overnight. So that's why I'm taking another shot in this trade. I have risked $200 if I'm not wrong. Let's quickly check. Yeah, $210 I have risked in this trade, and targeting 1 is to 1.5. I may go target little lower to this Asia low. So let's put this right now at here. So we will see once but market grab this liquidity, either I'll book the profit or either trail my stop loss. So we will see how it goes basically. One thing I want to see right now, if market close below this swing low, okay, that will be nice for us to look for continuous sell off. Okay, so yeah, let's see how it goes. Whatever the result will be, I'll share with you guys at the end. Okay, let's see. Okay, everyone, so I have exited at this $100 loss basically. I personally don't like the closure of this candle. You can see, it looks like it swept this liquidity and close very aggressively, like kind of 15-minute bullish engulfing. Yes, it might can go more lower. Okay, there is 100% possibility, but this type of s- this type of scene I don't like when market grab liquidity, and it tried one time to trade below, second time to trade below, but failed to close below this low, and it closed again back above this liquidity level. Okay, so this type of setup personally I don't like. Yes, it is right now trading lower. I may have exited at much smaller loss, but just following my plan. Okay, it can respect this 55-minute bearish value gap, but part of game. I am done for the day. We will see tomorrow how market goes, if this liquidity will be untapped, and if we get some 1 hour uh, bearish value gap or kind of 4 hour bearish engulfing, then we will look for again sell tomorrow basically. Okay, so yeah, that's it. See you tomorrow.